Stoney's trying to shrug away her marker, whose hand's on there. In comes the corner, it's headed on, but Stoney was really being impeded.
She really was. That was like a rugby tackle.
Half a chance for Bassett. Plays it into Nobbs. Goes for goal! Off the bar! And saved by the goalkeeper, Clark! Blocked to the near post.
What a strike from Jordan Nobbs. I'd like to see if the goalkeeper got a touch to that. Oh, does get a touch. That's actually a really good save from the goalkeeper.
This here's Jordan Nobbs. In goes the cross. And just wide by Aluko.
This is good play. 1 and 2 touch, plays the ball round. Jordan Nobbs just whips it in just behind the defence, and Eni Aluko probably should have done better with their finish.
Laura Bassett trying to slip her marker in towards the near post, hit beyond. Horton with the header on. Aluko loops over.
I know she has scored headed goals, but she's much better with the ball at her feet.
In it comes to the edge of the penalty area. Horton back to Nobbs. Oh, good goalkeeping.
It's a good effort from Jordan Nobbs. Keep it low. When in these conditions, it's very slippy.
That's a good ball driven out by Horton to Christensen to the dead ball line. Brought down, and she could go here. Already cautioned.
That's a yellow card. She's a lucky girl.
Duggan with this corner kick. Horton is there with the header. Oh, she pushed off it then, Steph Horton.
That's a push in the back. That's a penalty.
Here's Duggan. Nobbs. Oh, it fizzed, and the goalkeeper chose to punch. Uncomfortable at holding, and Luko slipped as it comes back in. Well, fortune favoured her there. She's deserved a break because she's played very well, the goalkeeper. Luko's cross, Jill Scott! Yes. England have the breakthrough!
Oh, I'm so pleased for Jill Scott with that goal, but good work from Eni Aluko down this left-hand side. Beats the player, and just a little dink cross. I think you know if Jill Scott's in the area, she's going to win the ball in the air, and that's a good directed header. Yes, I think the goalkeeper could have done a little bit better there.
Big credit to players. I think it's difficult to see on TV how difficult those conditions were. It was a real blowing wind and strong wind, and the rain, hail was coming down, but they really stuck at it. They had great enthusiasm. They were really probably too desperate to put on a great show for the crowd, and in the end we've got the 3 points, which is important.
It was really tough conditions. They came and they put everybody behind the ball, which we did think they were going to do, and we had to come up with a plan to try and get through them. Obviously we would have liked to have scored more goals, but at the end of the day it's about getting the 3 points, and the girls stuck at the task in hand, and we've managed to come away with the win.